videos. LTASE. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds are short, which is Wombi's diarrhea sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Omarashi's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are really long, like Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Hello guys, it is me again, IRL Noella, and I just wanted to say that Paulina Chan has returned after 1 month of being on hiatus. So yeah, as of today, I'm going to talk about the second variant of the pooping sound effect from Paulina Chan. It was heard in a video called Happy Halloween, #GotchaDiarrhea. This video was uploaded today. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 29 to 37. Let's see how many total seconds are from this video now. It's 8. The music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. See? That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is only used for Untold Loneliness Oswald when he poops. If you want to use this sound effect, use it in your videos. But give credit to Paulina Chan if you want to. Before using her sound effect, I'm linking this in the description right now, and the sound effect starts at 29 and ends at 37. Make sure you remove the music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later when I feature Ragwold.